Hello, dear viewers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will share some important tips on how to care for and clean your jewelry to ensure they continue to shine brightly. As we delve into this sparkling session, let's begin with the cornerstone of jewelry care: storage. The right storage can make all the difference in maintaining the shine and luster of your jewelry. Think of a dry place, preferably one that avoids direct sunlight, to store your precious pieces. But what's even better? A jewelry box. Yes, a simple yet elegant jewelry box can be your jewelry's best friend. It not only protects your jewelry from dust but also shields it from oxidation, those pesky processes that can dull the shine of your favorite pieces. So remember, store your precious pieces properly, and they will serve you well for a long time. Let's move on to the cleaning process. It's quite simple, really. To keep your jewelry looking its best, you'll need a few basic tools. Grab a cup of lukewarm water, some gentle soap, and a soft brush. These are your best friends in the battle against grime and tarnish. Begin by immersing your jewelry piece in the soapy water. Let it soak there for a bit, allowing the warm water to loosen any dirt or oils. Then, with your soft brush, gently clean the jewelry. Be sure to get into all those nooks and crannies where dirt loves to hide. One word of caution though: avoid harsh chemicals at all costs. They might promise a quick clean, but they can also strip away the luster from your precious gemstones and metals. So stick to gentle soap and lukewarm water. Avoid harsh chemicals and your jewelry will thank you. Now let's discuss how to clean specific gemstones. Each has its unique needs. Diamonds, for instance, can be cleaned at home with items you likely have on hand. By combining a bit of alcohol with warm water, you can create a homemade cleaning solution. Gently brush the diamond with a soft brush, delicately removing any residue. However, pearls and softer gems, like opals, require a different approach. These gemstones are more delicate and can be damaged by harsh cleaning methods. For these stones, a soft, damp cloth is your best friend. Gently wipe the surface of the gemstone, ensuring to remove any dirt or oils. Emeralds, on the other hand, should be cleaned with room temperature water and mild soap. The important thing here is to avoid extreme temperatures, as they can cause the stone to crack. And then there are gemstones like sapphire and ruby, which are quite hardy. These can withstand more vigorous cleaning. A bit of soapy water and a toothbrush can bring back their shine. But let's not forget turquoise, a porous gemstone that should never be immersed in water. A simple wipe with a clean, dry cloth will do the trick. Remember, each gemstone is unique and requires a different level of care. So always do a bit of research before you start the cleaning process. Your gems will thank you for it. Lastly, let's discuss daily habits that can help maintain your jewelry's shine. It's essential to understand that jewelry, while durable, isn't invincible. Activities like household chores or rigorous physical exercise can result in accidental scratches or bumps that dull your precious pieces. So it's a good idea to remove your jewelry during these times to prevent any damage. Now, let's move on to cosmetics and perfumes. These products often contain chemicals that can be harsh on your jewelry, especially on delicate gemstones and metals. Over time, they can cause discoloration or even irreversible damage. The best way to avoid this is to put on your jewelry last when getting ready. This way, your jewelry avoids direct contact with these substances. Also, keep in mind that perspiration can harm your jewelry. Metals and certain gemstones don't take well to sweat, so it's best to remove your jewelry before any strenuous activity. Wear your jewelry wisely and it'll retain its luster for years to come. Jewelry is an eternal beauty, but it only retains its brilliance through proper care. We're here to help you maintain that shimmer and shine. Want to stay updated with more such useful tips and advice? Do hit that subscribe button. And if there's a question brewing or you need more advice, just drop a comment. We love hearing from you and we'll do our best to respond. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more captivating jewelry-related content.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this glimpse into jewelry making, subscribe for more. Like, share, and join us as we explore the art of craftsmanship. See you next time.